Good morning, and thank you for coming in today.
Good morning, thank you for having me. I'm excited to be here.
Let's start by having you tell me a little about yourself and why you're interested in becoming a real estate agent with our company.
Sure, I have a background in sales and I've always been interested in real estate. I recently completed my real estate license, and I'm eager to apply my sales skills in this field. Your company has a great reputation, and I'm particularly impressed by your commitment to customer service and ongoing training. I believe I can contribute to the team and grow professionally here.
That's great to hear. Can you tell me about a time when you successfully closed a sale? How did you handle it?
Absolutely. In my previous job as a sales representative, I worked with a client who was hesitant about making a large purchase. I took the time to understand their concerns, provided them with all the information they needed, and followed up regularly. By building trust and showing that I had their best interests at heart, I was able to close the sale. I believe the same skills are crucial in real estate when guiding clients through such significant transactions.
I agree. Real estate is very much about trust and relationships. How do you plan to build and maintain relationships with clients in this role?
I plan to start by listening carefully to each client's needs and preferences. Communication is key, so I'll make sure to be responsive and available, whether it's answering questions or providing updates. I also believe in being proactive, keeping clients informed about market trends, new listings, or any changes that could impact their decisions. By staying engaged and being a reliable resource, I'm confident I can build lasting relationships.
Those are important qualities. Real estate can be unpredictable, with clients changing their minds or deals falling through. How do you handle stress and setbacks?
I've learned to stay calm and focused under pressure. When things don't go as planned, I try to view setbacks as opportunities to learn and improve. For example, if a deal falls through, I'll analyze what went wrong and think about how I can prevent similar issues in the future. Staying positive and adaptable is crucial, and I'm committed to delivering the best possible outcomes for my clients, no matter the challenges.
Excellent approach. Now let's talk about your knowledge of the local real estate market. How familiar are you with the neighborhoods and properties in our area?
I've spent a lot of time researching the local market. I'm familiar with the different neighborhoods, property values, and recent trends. I've also attended open houses and networked with other real estate professionals in the area to get a better understanding of the market dynamics. I'm eager to continue learning and stay up to date so I can provide clients with accurate and valuable insights.
That's good to hear. Finally, why should we hire you as a real estate agent with our company?
I'm passionate about real estate and dedicated to helping clients find their perfect home. My background in sales, strong communication skills, and commitment to ongoing learning make me a great fit for this role. I'm excited about the opportunity to work with a company that values excellence and customer satisfaction, and I'm confident that I can contribute positively to your team.
Thank you for your time and your thoughtful answers. We'll be in touch soon about the next steps.
Thank you for the opportunity. I look forward to hearing from you.